Growing your own medicinal herbs in your backyard is a fulfilling and practical way to incorporate natural remedies into your daily life. Not only do these herbs provide a fresh and sustainable source of healing, but they also add beauty and fragrance to your outdoor space. Let's explore some popular medicinal herbs that you can easily grow in your backyard and discover their remarkable benefits. First on the list is Echinacea. Also known as purple coneflower, Echinacea is a powerful herb celebrated for its immune-boosting properties. Its beautiful purple flowers contain compounds that can enhance your body's natural defenses against infections and illnesses. By growing Echinacea in your garden, you'll have easy access to this valuable herb for making teas, tinctures, or herbal preparations that support your immune system. Another amazing herb is Calendula. With its vibrant orange or yellow flowers, Calendula is a versatile herb renowned for its soothing and healing effects on the skin. It has been traditionally used to promote wound healing and alleviate skin irritations. By growing Calendula in your backyard, you can harvest the petals to create homemade salves, creams, or infused oils that can help soothe minor cuts, burns, or rashes. We also have Chamomile. With its delicate white flowers and apple-like fragrance, Chamomile is a well-loved herb for promoting relaxation and better sleep. Its gentle sedative properties make it an excellent addition to herbal teas, providing a calming and comforting experience after a long day. By growing your own chamomile plants, you can easily harvest the flowers and dry them for later use, ensuring a fresh and aromatic cup of chamomile tea whenever you desire. Coming forth is Peppermint. Peppermint is a popular herb known for its refreshing aroma and cooling properties. It is widely used for digestive issues, soothing headaches, and providing relief from nasal congestion. Peppermint is a resilient plant that thrives in various growing conditions, making it an excellent addition to your backyard garden. Coming next as an exceptional herb that can easily be grown in your backyard is lemon balm. Lemon balm is a delightful herb with a lemony scent and calming properties. It is often used to promote relaxation, relieve stress and anxiety, and support healthy sleep. Lemon balm is a hardy perennial that can be easily grown in containers or directly in the ground, making it a fantastic choice for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Last but not least, we have lavender. With its enchanting fragrance and lovely purple flowers, lavender is not only a delight for the senses, but also a versatile medicinal herb. Known for its calming and stress-relieving properties, lavender can be used to make relaxing herbal bath soaks, sachets, or essential oils. Growing lavender in your backyard not only adds beauty to your garden, but also provides you with a readily available source of this calming herb. By cultivating these medicinal herbs in your backyard, you'll not only enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing and tending to your own garden, but also the convenience of accessing natural remedies whenever you need them. Check our bio link for a cultivated medicinal herb kit to get started growing these herbs in your yard today. With a little care and attention, these herbs can thrive in your backyard, providing you with a sustainable and bountiful supply of medicinal goodness. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thanks for watching.